All right. Good morning, everybody. Just wanted to give you a little bit of insight on what's going on with this marketing plan project, just so we make sure that everybody feels like they know what we're looking at. So right now you're going to be looking at this marketing plan project. You're going to notice that you're actually going to use this slideshow to go ahead and change it to look and say exactly what you want for your project. So if we go to slide 2, you're going to be able to see, let me just move this out of the way. You're going to be able to see a quick example of what's going on. So you're going to make 3 different types of promotions for your company that you created. I'm going to go over that with you in just a second. So you can see that in this quick example, this group would have done an Instagram post. They've got a picture right up here, and then they have the description of what they would actually do for their Instagram post. So whatever it is that you're going to do, you're going to create your image or clip your pictures and put them right in here. You can also see very quickly what we're talking about with your campaign objective. Look over here to the right. That table is going to allow you to type into it. What key metric are we trying to measure? You can see right over here that it says we're going to look at the sales. And then the last part is a description of your promotional activity. So I know it says Instagram at the top, but you're just going to write that up for us real quick so you can see that it's an Instagram post giving away a free topping to draw in customers and also introduce them to a new or add-on item for their mac and cheese. So slide 2 is going to be your sample, and then you're going to do yours on slide 3, slide 4, and also slide 5. So those are your 3 different ideas that you're going to put right in here. Slide 2 is going to be your example. So we said that you're going to be using your company that you created. I'm going to flip over. It's actually your own company that you created in chapter 5, which was our entrepreneurship chapter. And you might recognize that this is what it would have looked like. So this is the one where you came up with your own idea. And then you went through with your executive summary, your management team plan, your description, your product plan, and then also 2 facts and competitors. So we're not reinventing the wheel. We're actually just going to use your business that you used for chapter 5 for your business plan. The name of this file, let me just slide this over here so that you can see it. The name of this file is ITB Business Plan Template. So if you feel like you can't find it in your Google Drive, you might want to just search by that name right there. So again, it's our marketing plan, but you might want to pull up your business plan from chapter 5.